Hey buddy, what's going on? Welcome to Learn Hunter. In this episode, I will show you how to view a single data from a table. So this is a important topics. So when I press on view, it will show us the all information where ID is 1. That's mean name, email and phone. Let's start. Okay. So all contact, and we are using this. Now I pass our data, so I just copy it from here and paste it. We are used not delete contact, it's show contact, and also we need our ID, specific ID, cause we are view a single element. So let's start, and you also use this, just copy it from here and paste it. It routes are show contact, also pass the ID, and contact controller, this method are show. That's it. The show contact, we don't have any function, so just I use public function and also get the ID. We don't write our function name show contact. So now I just try to show a single product, not product, contact. So just use like con, it's variable. So just use query db table. Our table is contacts, and we retrieve a single data where, that's why I use ID is equal to $ID, and finally it's get, not get. Remember that when we retrieve a single data, we don't use get, we use first. Okay, so now return view, just check it, our data are coming or not. Echo p printer con, and exit the program. Let's check, reload the page. When we press number 1, yes, it shows us the ID, name, email and phone. That's good. So now just we create a page like show data .blade.php. just I use all contact, copy and paste it here. We don't need help with this. Not need it, don't need help, don't need it, and not to need our action button. Okay, just use anchor tag, all contact, and it goes to route all contact. Okay, so now not need for this loop. So now contact controller, just return view, you don't need this, return view show data .blade.php. okay, with first name and second or variable, and I just write single SNGL single CUN. We are use this name for viewing. Just copy it and go to all contact, not show data, and we are use the ID. Name, email, phone. Okay, so let's check. Reload. First we are see learn hunter. Let's view. It goes to show contact 3 and yes, ID is 3, learn hunter gmail.com and phone. So BTN, it's working or not? Yes, it's working finally. So now click go to all contact. Okay, wait. All dot contact, save all, click on view. Working. Yes, all contact working. So now we are use class BTN. Info BTN danger, BTN warning. Let's check. Yes, finally it's work fine. So okay, we are already know that how to view a single data. So like this, yes, how to view a single data. So next tutorial we are show you that how to edit and update. Okay, you can also use Eloquent, just like delete, just like this. Just find the ID and you can use fast, just replacement of delete. Okay, so don't worry, this is Street Learn Hunter. I hope we are try to finish from sketch Laravel. So thanks for watching.